back to It's Me, Mariska. And if you're new here, I'm Mariska and this is my mom. Today,
we're going to do a DIY, and we're going to kind of tie-dye pencils with nail polish. You need water in a bowl. We need nail polish. And we need pencils. And we're going to give this a try. So, comment down below if you've ever done this before.
And yes, we have a bear, so if you guys see us looking over, we're just checking.
So we're going to take a little bit of each color. And we're going to put a tiny drop. Here, you want to put some in?
Mm-hmm. Not a lot. It floats and sometimes sinks. That's cool.
Some of it sinks. Give it a minute or two, though.
Stir it.
It is floating.
Stir it.
Don't stir it. Let's give... Some of it may work, some of it may not work. We don't know yet. Oh, that looks cool so far. Go ahead, put just a little bit.
It's trying. Okay, this is my nail polish.
Okay.
This is my nail polish.
Alright. And you just want to put a little bit of each thing in, like...
Did you add this one
in
in
different
already?
colors.
Did you add that one in already?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
So far, that's what it looks like. Now, you take a pencil. We already have that color in. We already have a purple in. That's okay. Alright? And hold on. Hold it by the metal. Lay it in.
Wow.
Pull it out. Well,
Kind of worked.
it kind of works a little bit. Some of it's very stringy. Oh, pull that out. Take that out of there. Look at that one. That looks neat. Oh, gross. Yeah. Well, alright, we'll set these off to the side. There's one.
Here's mine.
Right. Now let's see if we can try other colors.
Whoa.
Okay then.
Okay.
We're going to lay that little bit right here.
Okay.
And we will put that in the garbage when we go in, and now it's all over our hands.
Oh well. I'm getting in the shower anyway.
So we'll add a tiny bit more. Oh, that green. There goes the green spreading around a little bit. And a tiny bit of pink.
Tiny bit of... That's cool.
It kind of makes a film across the top of the thing. Now we'll try a little bit of orange. This time. Looks like there's glitter in this one. There is glitter in that one. Okay. Now we'll try another pen. So, and we'll see. Go ahead. And lift it out.
Ew.
Okay. Thank God these are old pencils, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that.
Now I'm going to add a little blue into the color before I do it.
And I'm going to add a little pink.
Okay. Tiny bit of blue. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to take the pencil.
Whoa.
Wow, that's really cool. Alright, we have 2 more
I'm
pencils.
gonna add a little bit orange to mine.
Tiny bit more orange, and I think that's good because we've got every color in here still. My fingers are getting sticky from the... Okay. Yeah, because you got glitter in there.
That's separated weird. It stuck to the bowl.
Yeah, it kind of stuck to the bowl a little bit too. It did separate a little weird. You can move it over here into the color a little bit if you want. My fingers are gross. How about yours?
No.
No?
Not really. That's mine.
And the last one.
Now
We're going to try with
popsicle
popsicle stick
sticks.
real quick and see if it'll work on a popsicle stick. And if we can, we'll dry the popsicle stick out real good and maybe that could be a bookmark. So just do 2 colors. We'll do Mal's colors from Descendants. Okay?
I want to try.
Okay.
I'm going to try this one.
And lay the popsicle stick in. Go ahead, you're alright. Lift it out.
Awesome.
Kind of worked a little bit. It's just kind of goopy too. Okay. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Bye. We have a party bus.